Up at our old cabin about 3 years ago, I was forced to cut down multiple northern white ash trees, all killed by the emerald ash borer beetle. The green beetles lay eggs in the tree bark and the larva munches on the sap layer of the tree until it's curtains for the mighty hardwood. The tree is only good for a couple things at that point, firewood or wood shop projects. I kept a couple of chainsaw cuts for later projects, including this piece about 10 inches in diameter. You can actually see the tunnels and tracks chewed into the wood by the beetle larva, and I think I'll keep some of that tragic beetle buffet history in the finished bowl. First, I'll trim down this half of a tree trunk into something a little closer to a rounded shape and make it easier to turn on the lathe. This dead block of white ash is really best suited for the fire pit, but I wanted to see if I could give it new life as something functional and maybe make it a gift for the holidays. Now ready to work on the block as it spins on the lathe. I'll start by rounding the outside of this new bowl, being careful to leave some of the beetle tunnel damage. From one point of view, the insect damage is ugly. From another viewpoint, nature is sometimes the best designer, and imperfections in the wood are actually beautiful. I am firmly in that camp now that we have preserved some of that beetle kill detail on the outside of the bowl. It's time to start work chiseling out the material on the inside. With steady work and a careful hand, the inside of the bowl slowly revealed itself like an overly confident flasher in Central Park. The wood chips continue to spray out in all directions, as does the dust from a good hour of finished sanding. In the end, the white ash bowl turned out to be quite beautiful, even with the surface detail courtesy of that invasive and deadly insect. The final finish was a semi-gloss polyurethane spray, highlighting the beauty of the wood without darkening it. The bowl is wonderful.
I like how the AI engine interprets my opening statements of being up at our cabin by showing video of a fiery hellscape. I mean, our old cabin wasn't really that bad. The bowl really did come out great, and you can see the real woodshop story at the link coming up next. Stay frosty.